Hello all. In this video, you will learn how to attend online classes on Akar Learning Center. Hopefully, you all are having LMS user ID and password. So, this is time to start. First of all, you have to open an internet browser. It may be Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So, I am using Google Chrome. Here, you have to open https://www.akarlearning.in. In this screen, you have to enter your username and password. In my case, I'm using username as a test student and password. After that, click on login button. In the next screen, you will see the courses in which you are enrolled. In my case, I am enrolled in two courses. One is Akal Punjabi Shiksha program and another one is test course. So here you have to click on the course name in which you want to attend the online classes. I want to attend the online class in Akal Punjabi Shiksha program. So I clicked on it. In this screen you will see a number of topics and activities. So this is the topic name and this is the activity. The activity with blue B icon is for online classes. B means big blue button. Big blue button is an application for online classes. Okay, so I'm clicking this activity. Here this join session button will appear. To join the class, you have to click on this join session button. A new tab will open. In this tab, you will get two icons. One is microphone, another one is listen only. So you have to click on microphone. So if you are here for first time, then you have to give the permission to microphone. Click on allow. On this screen, you should hear your voice back. If you are hearing your voice back, it means your microphone is working perfectly and you can click thumbs up. Before joining this class, teacher or moderator should be there in the class. If the teacher is not there, then you will not be able to join. You will get a message that moderator is not in the class. So wait for moderator. This is the online class platform. There are three buttons at the bottom of this big blue button screen. One is microphone, another one is change or leave audio, third one is turn on or off your webcam. If you want to mute or unmute your microphone, in that case you can click on this button. To turn on or off your webcam, you can click this button. If you are first time on this screen, you have to give the permission to browser to use the camera. So here I'm clicking allow. You will get the list of your cameras here under the camera list and what type of quality you want to publish, you can select from this list. So I'm selecting medium quality. After clicking the start sharing, my camera will be shared with the class. This depends on the teacher that who should view your camera video and who should not. So I think it's completed. Thank you so much.